Hi, today I would like to show you the Icelandic Bind-Off. The Icelandic Bind-Off is a nice stretchy bind-off that goes well with a German twisted cast-on. We're going to knit the first stitch, slip it off the left hand needle. Now we're going to place it back on the left hand needle but in a different position. So with your left hand needle, go into that stitch from right to left, into the front leg, like this, and place it on the left hand needle. Now with your right hand needle, go through the first stitch and pull the second stitch through the first and knit that second stitch. Now pull both stitches off the left hand needle, and now we're going to repeat these steps. So go into that stitch from right to left, insert your right hand needle through the first stitch, pull the second stitch through the first, and knit it. Now pull both off the needle and repeat these steps until you get to the end. And here it is. That's the German twisted cast-on, a nice stretchy cast-on, and the Icelandic bind-off to go with it. It's a nice stretchy bind-off. You can also use this bind-off if you would like to finish off a garter stitch shawl and need a nice edge for it. This edge looks quite nice with it.